What's up, y'all? This is Erik from Maxlider Brothers Customs, and I'm standing in front of yet another Maxlider built 2022 Outer Banks Ford Bronco. Now this one we equipped with our Midnight Edition package, which includes our Stage 1 kit and a few other goodies as well. So let's run through them. The Stage 1 kit features our 4-inch lift kit, 37-inch tires, matching spare wheel and tire, our Maxlider rival wheels, throwback graphics. This one is the stripe that finishes in our Midnight package logo, vintage fender flares, Bronco script. It has a spare tire reinforcement bracket on the back. And then the customer decided to also throw on our modular bumpers. You'll see in the front, it comes equipped with the grill guard, the 4 ditch lights, and 4 4.7 LEDs, so you have plenty of lighting on the trails at night. Then it has a matching rear bumper, which totally completes the look. Now these sell very quickly when they head to the dealership, sometimes before they even get there. So if you're interested, you're gonna wanna give Christine a call at Maxwell Ford. The information's below. We wanna thank them for doing business with Maxlider Brothers Customs, and thank you to whoever the proud new owner of this Bronco is, because you're gonna love it.